My name is Ryan Templeton, and I'm a Senior Solutions Engineer specializing in IoT. There's a lot of talk these days about the promise of IoT and how companies can use IoT data to realize new market opportunities as well as cost savings. The promise is definitely there, but understanding how all this works can be complex. I want to take the next few minutes to help break this down and explain how this can be tackled in 4 easy steps. It's easy to remember: connect, collect, analyze, act. We will look at the details of each of these steps and also the tooling that aligns to each of these steps in order to help you build your IoT architecture. Step number 1, connect. You have to be able to connect to your devices that produce the data in order to start ingesting it. Sometimes these devices are referred to as edge devices or maybe even just the edge. This is meant to illustrate that it's far away from where the data will ultimately be collected, either in the cloud or in the data center. Apache NiFi is a drag-and-drop based tool for building workflows that allow you to connect to those edge devices and channel that data to your data lake. It provides many different processors for connecting to devices, including MQTT and OPC UA, both popular IoT protocols. Minify is a miniaturized version of the NiFi engine. It has a footprint so small it can run on the edge device itself, helping collect and direct the data being produced. Step number 2, collect. With NiFi and Minify directing those rivers of data into your data lake, we need a way to process and organize this data. This is where Apache Hive comes in. Hive provides a powerful SQL processing engine to store and transform your data. You may hear this referred to as data at rest, but this data is definitely not sitting still. Standardizing and normalizing this data is a critical step, and with rich SQL syntax and advanced materialized features, your IoT data starts taking shape in no time. Analysts can connect and build responsive dashboards, giving you insight into patterns and realizations you never considered. This also sets the stage for the next step of the process. Step number 3, analyze. With this vast amount of curated data, it's time to let your data scientists loose. Using powerful in-memory computing frameworks such as Spark, data scientists can start combing through all of the collections of data looking for nuances and correlations between data events. With hundreds of millions or even more, it literally enables you to find the needle in the haystack. We recently announced a tech preview support for TensorFlow and GPU utilization, 2 technological leaps working together that are at the forefront of machine learning and AI. Using these tools, data scientists can build advanced neural networks that can be used to recognize objects, drive cars, and even carry on conversations. The combination of large data collections working with powerful analytics is the key to unlocking new markets and revealing business optimizations. Lastly, step number 4, act. In this last step, you will take what you learned with the analyze stage in the form of a model. A model is a chunk of logic which is trained to be on the lookout for patterns that indicate a particular event is occurring or about to occur. We combine this model with stream processing tools like Apache Kafka and Storm to apply its predictive capability to events that are happening in real time. We inject this back into the workflow between the connect and collect stages. Now, as rivers of data flow in, they flow through these trained models in order to evaluate the event that is happening and allow you to act when an event is about to occur. The speed at which this happens is handled with ease in your cluster because all of this is taking place at scale. Your stream processing is now constantly on the lookout for events and will alert you at a moment's notice as to what is taking or about to take place. There you have it. Full circle IoT in 4 steps. The more data you collect, the more insight it can provide so your models get better and help you make smarter business decisions. Obviously, there are complexities to each of these steps, but by breaking it down, you're sure to succeed one step at a time. So the next time you think of IoT, just remember: connect, collect, analyze, and act. Thanks for watching.